Are you tired of hearing about amazing AI tools, only to find out they're locked behind a hefty paywall? What if I told you that you can access one of the most powerful AI models, Claude AI, for free, and that it might even be a better choice for you than Google's Gemini? In this video, we're going to do a deep dive into how you can use Claude AI for free and compare it head-to-head with Google Gemini. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool is right for your needs. First, let's get acquainted with our contenders. In one corner, we have Claude AI, developed by Claude is known for its strong performance in a wide range of tasks, with a particular emphasis on safety and producing helpful, harmless, and honest responses. In the other corner, we have Google Gemini, the successor to Lambda and Palm 2. As a Google product, Gemini has the advantage of deep integration with Google's vast ecosystem of services and access to real-time information from the web. Now, let's get to the question you've all been waiting for. How can you use these powerful tools for free? Anthropic offers a free tier for Claude AI through its web interface. Claude AI. With a free account, you get a generous amount of usage of their latest models. While there are some daily limits to prevent abuse, most users will find the free tier more than sufficient for their day-to-day tasks. This is a fantastic way to experience the full power of Claude without spending a dime. On the other side, Google has made Gemini widely accessible for free. The standard version of Gemini is available through the Gemini web interface and is also being integrated into various Google products, including Android, Chrome, and Workspace apps. For most users, the free version of Gemini is incredibly powerful and versatile. So, both are free to use. But what's the catch? And which one is better? Let's break it down feature by feature. First up, let's talk about long-form content. If you need an AI to help you summarize a lengthy report, analyze a dense research paper, or even help you write a book, Claude AI is the undisputed champion. It can handle a much larger amount of text in a single prompt, what's known as the context window. This means you can feed it a whole document and have a meaningful conversation about it. Gemini's free version has a smaller context window, which can be a limitation for these kinds of tasks. Next, let's consider real-time information. This is where Gemini shines. Thanks to its integration with Google Search, Gemini can provide you with up-to-the-minute information on any topic. If you need to know the latest news, get a weather forecast, or find the best restaurants near you, Gemini is your go-to assistant. Claude, on the other hand, has a knowledge cutoff date and cannot access the internet, so its knowledge is not as current. What about creativity and writing style? Both models are excellent writers, but they have different strengths. Claude is often praised for its more nuanced, creative, and almost human-like writing style. It's great for brainstorming ideas, writing poetry, or crafting a heartfelt email. Gemini, while also a capable writer, can sometimes produce more generic or formal text. Finally, let's touch on safety and bias. Anthropic has placed a strong emphasis on making Claude a safe and reliable AI. It's less likely to generate harmful, biased, or inappropriate content. While Google is also committed to AI safety, Gemini has faced some criticism for occasional biases in its responses. So, which one should you choose? The answer really depends on your needs. If you're a writer, researcher, student, or anyone who works with long-form content, Claude AI's free tier is an absolute game-changer. Its large context window and excellent writing skills make it the perfect tool for in-depth tasks. If you need an AI assistant for everyday questions, want access to the latest information, and value integration with other Google services, then Google Gemini is the ideal choice. Its versatility and real-time capabilities are hard to beat. The best part is that you don't have to choose just one, since both Claude AI and Google Gemini offer free tiers. I highly recommend trying them both out for yourself. See which one fits your workflow and personal preferences. The future of AI is here, and it's more accessible than ever. What are your thoughts on Claude AI and Google Gemini? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on how to make the most of AI. Thanks for watching.